Mailchimp Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to Mailchimp are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's worth using. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms designed for small to medium-sized businesses, entrepreneurs, and e-commerce brands looking for an easy-to-use solution with automation and analytics. It's known for its user-friendly interface, drag-and-drop email builder, and built-in CRM tools. One of Mailchimp's standout features is its email campaign builder, which allows users to create professional-looking emails without coding. It offers customizable templates, segmentation tools, and A/B testing to optimize campaign performance. Automation is another key strength, enabling users to set up welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-up sequences based on customer behavior. Mailchimp also provides detailed analytics, including open rates, click-through rates, and audience engagement reports, helping users refine their marketing strategies. It integrates seamlessly with over 300 apps, including Shopify, WordPress, and Facebook ads, making it easy to connect with other business tools. For e-commerce, Mailchimp offers product recommendations, customer journey mapping, and retargeting ads, helping businesses maximize conversions. Its free plan is one of the most generous, allowing up to 500 contacts and basic automation, making it ideal for startups. However, pricing scales quickly as your list grows, and some advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans. The main downsides? Compared to competitors like ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp's automation capabilities are more basic, and its customer support can be limited unless you're on a paid plan. Additionally, some users find its pricing structure confusing, especially with add-ons for advanced segmentation and reporting. Overall, Mailchimp is a great choice for businesses looking for an all-in-one email marketing platform with a user-friendly interface, solid automation, and strong integrations. It's best for beginners and small businesses, but may not be ideal for those needing complex automation workflows. Check the links in the description for more details.